Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion on iPad versus Mac. We'll dive into the core differences in Notion's functionality across iPad OS and Mac OS, helping you understand the unique strengths each platform offers. My goal is to help you determine which device best suits your specific workflow and daily needs, ensuring you maximize your productivity with Notion, whether you're on the go or at your desk. Let's explore the nuances of each experience. The iPad offers a highly portable and intuitive touch-first interface for Notion, making it excellent for quick capture and on-the-go edits. With the Apple Pencil, you gain exclusive handwriting and drawing capabilities, perfect for annotating or sketching directly within your pages. While multitasking with split view can enhance productivity, very complex Notion setups or extensive database management might feel a bit constrained compared to a desktop experience. Performance is generally smooth, but can vary based on your iPad model. The Mac provides a full desktop experience, offering robust multitasking and superior window management for Notion. You'll find keyboard shortcuts and precise mouse or trackpad navigation highly optimized for efficiency, especially when dealing with large databases or intricate workspaces. Handling dozens of pages and complex Notion setups is generally smoother and more powerful on a Mac. Seamless integration with other desktop applications further enhances your overall workflow, making it ideal for deep work and extensive project management. To make your choice, consider the iPad for on-the-go note-taking, quick edits, and creative input using the Apple Pencil. If your Notion workflow involves extensive writing, complex database management, or heavy multitasking across multiple applications, the Mac is likely your better option. Many users find a hybrid approach, utilizing both devices, offers the best of both worlds. Ultimately, your ideal choice depends 100% on your primary use cases and how you interact with Notion daily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.